Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Here I will tell you about a wonderful website that will help you to fix items or repair items you want or daily use items like your mobile phone, bikes, cycles, etc. And that website is called iFixit. I am just writing iFixit, enter, and you can see the first search result that comes in Google is ifixit.com. Simply click here, the free repair manual. Here, there are some things like you have free repair guides, as well as you can also book a repair guy as well to repair your parts, or repair store. You can book some spare parts to repair your items. So, as you can see, this is the website, this is the store. Well, it is USD. If I see it, India is not here yet, so it is very popular in US, United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, all these countries, but not yet in India. So perhaps we can only search for repair guides. As you can see, this is the join thing, this is the login thing, and now it is in English mode. Okay, let me see what kind of languages are available. English, Italy. Okay, fine, do it. Never take broken for an answer. You can see step-by-step guides. Learn how to fix anything with simple, easy to follow instructions created by real fixers. Find a guide. Quality parts and tools. As I said, spare parts, tools, everything's are available here. Shop or store, but it is available on these countries. What I've shown you: US, Canada, Austria, UK, Europe, France, Italy, and Dutch. And a community of fixers is a community where you can ask questions. So let me go through all these figures. That is 1,27,000 or 127,000 free manuals are available, 238,000 solutions, 73,000 devices, over 100 million repairs have already been done. For example, I just want to repair my OnePlus 7 phone. I can directly write in the search screen. Yeah, screen. So if I enter, let me see. So everything is coming up here. You can see, you can choose if you want store. You can find products matching your repair, 1+7 screen, try different, okay, devices, answers. You can see many questions answered that are going on right now. Replace the glass of my OnePlus 7 Pro. Replace battery for OnePlus 7. So as you can see, exactly 7 battery replacement guide is not available. You can see in guides, you can see OnePlus 70 battery replacement, or dead battery in your OnePlus 70 for battery, OnePlus 3 fingerprint scanner replacement. Okay, these things are available in guides. And if you go to store, nothing, devices, nothing. So if something is available in some head, then only it will show. Otherwise, it will simply say we couldn't find any wikis or we couldn't find any devices. All these things will come up. Answers, you can see some questions answers about shipping OnePlus 70 Pro batteries to Saudi Arabia. Okay, news, OnePlus 2 tier down. So similar keywords, news, similar keywords, answers, pages, all these things will come up. So for example, I want it for guides. Let me click on OnePlus 7T battery replacement, and you can see the guide here. Heat the rear glass. Okay, you can heat it. Apply heated eye opener to the rear glass for 2 minutes. All these instructions are also given. You can see a hair dryer, heat gun, or a hot plate may also be used, but be careful not to overheat the phone. The AMOLED display and internal battery are both susceptible to heat damage. Okay, so all step-by-step instructions are given here. As you can see, how to take out that phone screen away from the phone body. So you can get all these tools and follow step by step this process to replace the battery for OnePlus 70, and I hope that it is quite similar to the phone OnePlus 7 which I was actually searching, but I got OnePlus 70 phone repair guides. Let me see, brakes or bicycle, what else are there? Brake caliper adjustment. Yeah, this is what I wanted. It is writing brake calipers adjustment. That okay, that is okay. Either you lose it or you tighten it, and that only means that adjustment of a brake caliper. So this is what you can also see the brakes replacement. This is how you search the thing that you need on a day-to-day basis. Items like bikes, mobiles, fridge, car, etc., etc. How to tighten, how to loosen, how to adjust your brake calipers. It has already shown here. So go through it, find if your guides are available. If it is, then you are lucky, and you can start repairing yourself if you have all those tools with yourself. So friends, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. It's a very good website. In fact, it is being used by so many people to even professionally repair items, and you'll have a lot of confidence on yourself once you start getting success in repairing those broken or out of order items. So friend, that's it. Please hit the like button and please do subscribe to the channel Infotainment for getting more of such videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.